RusDeck versus Parsec versus TeamViewer. So let's compare them. Number one is their features. RusDeck is an open source alternative that prioritizes privacy and self-hosting, while Parsec is tailored for low latency remote gaming and creative work. And TeamViewer is the all-rounder, offering cross-platform support, file transfer, and remote management. Number two is their performance. RusDeck offers decent performance but may depend on your server setup. Number two, Parsec. Parsec is the fastest in terms of latency, making it great for gamers and designers. Lastly, TeamViewer balances performance with flexibility, working well on slower networks with adaptive quality. So, number three is their security. RusDeck shines in privacy, giving users full control if self-hosted, while Parsec has strong encryption but is cloud dependent. Next is TeamViewer. It includes end-to-end encryption and 2FA, widely trusted in enterprise environments. Number 4, their ease of use. RusDeck requires some technical setup, though it's improving, while Parsec is simple to install but limited mostly to gaming and creative use. And TeamViewer is the most user-friendly, with just an ID and password needed to connect. Lastly is their pricing. RusDeck is free and open source, while Parsec offers a free plan with paid tiers for team collaboration, and TeamViewer is free for personal use, but it can get expensive for business plans. So, for final verdict, if you are a gamer or creative professional, you can go with Parsec. But if you want fully privacy control, you can go for RusDesk. And for an all-around remote tool with enterprise features, TeamViewer is the best for you. So make sure to like and subscribe.